Hey guys, so today I wanted to just do kind of like a life update video for you. So I'm filming this in the very beginning of August and some exciting things have happened this summer. So the first of which being our daughter's adoption. As some of you may remember, I posted a video about a year ago that we adopted our youngest son, Gavin, who we adopted from the foster care system. I still owe you guys a video explaining how we got into foster care, our experience with foster care, and Gavin's story. I will do that, just not today, but we adopted our daughter, who was the newest addition to our family, back in July. So she is now officially part of our family, which is very exciting. We processed all three of our kids' adoptions at the same courthouse, so we have pictures of each one's adoption on the same bench outside of the courthouse, which is just really cool. So I'll insert a picture right here for you to see. So Shayla is officially a member of our family. We are very excited to have her in our family. She came to us a year ago tomorrow, actually. So she was in the foster care for years, over 1,000 days in foster care. So her story will be another video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update that we are now a family of 5 and we are very excited. And Brayden and Shayla will both be starting kindergarten this fall, so that will be very exciting for both of them. She turned 6 in August and he turned 6 in December, so they'll both be on the older side for kindergarten, but I think that's kind of the better way to go than being the younger. That's just my personal opinion. I was the oldest. I was a September birthday, so I was always turning like the next age first before all the kids in my class, and I never minded. So that's that. What else? We have been staying busy with house projects. As many of you know, a tree fell on our house back in March, so we needed new roofing. We needed to fix up our backyard where the tree fell. We had to redo some landscaping, fix some outdoor lighting. We had water in our crawl space. We don't know if it's from the tree falling or just has been here for a while, so we've had lots of projects going on in the house, but I'm happy to say that it's starting to finally calm down here. Knock on wood, fingers crossed. We're finally able to like paint and start settling into the house. We have one room completely done, our dining room. We finished painting, we finished putting up the artwork, so we have like an official dining room now where we can actually eat. Okay, so this is our dining room. It is the only room of our house that's actually been finished. We had a new door installed, all of this wainscoting was recently installed, we painted, we've added artwork, and we've also added this buffet table, which we found at Home Goods, which I just think matches really well with the decor of the room. We plan to put some family portraits up here once we have them taken in September. So this is the dining room and the only room of the house that is actually finished right now. I know I owe you guys a home tour, but between the move, Gavin's surgery, Shayla's adoption, the tree falling, and all of the issues we've had with the house, we just haven't had a chance to move in fully and fully decorate. So everything is still kind of here and there and not put together yet. So once the house is put together, which may not be for another year at this rate, I will give you guys a house tour, but things are finally settling down, and I'm so grateful that we're kind of getting like a lull in the insanity of this house. I'm very grateful to be in this house. I'm grateful that we have the room for an additional child in our family, because I didn't mention, but we are not done. We would like one more. We would like another little girl, but we'll just see what God has in store for us. My husband's praying for a sibling group of 2 to come our way. Me being the stay-at-home mom, I don't know if I could do 5. I think I can do 4. Some days I don't even know if I can do the 3 I have, but I love them to pieces, so I am excited to add another 1 or 2 to the family. So we have the room, so I'm very grateful for this house for the purpose of being able to expand our family and give children in the foster care system a home that need it. So I'm grateful for that. So I don't want to seem like I'm complaining about our house. I am thankful for our house. It's just been like one issue after another since we moved in, so it'll be nice once things are finally calmed down. So I have the adoption. We're open to 1 or 2 more children. House is finally calming down. The kids don't have any surgeries on the books. I don't have any surgeries on the books that I'm aware of. So things are finally like calm and getting to like a good place before we start fostering again come fall. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of this quick update. My YouTube channel is finally over 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. I will continue to do some fun giveaways for you guys throughout the next, couple months and next year, so stay tuned for those. So thank you all for your time, for watching my videos, for subscribing, for sharing. I really appreciate it. So hope you guys enjoyed this life update video, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.